It's a Puppeteer production via Lane Wilkinson. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
What are you doing? You can't do that in public. What do you mean? You were sucking his dick in public. You can't do that. What?
Put your head down.
Why? What do you mean, why? Look over there. Oh, who is that? Is that Amber? Hi, Amber. Hi.
Hello.
Say hi. So he's passed out. He's drunk. Okay. Now listen to me. No, look at me. Look. You can't do that in public. I don't know what you're thinking. Oh, it's okay. Come here. Come.
Head down.
It's okay. Don't. What are you doing? Why are you holding my hand? What are you doing?